What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. So right now I am on the way to my mom's house to pick up a package. This package was supposed to be delivered on Friday, but for some reason they rescheduled it to be delivered on Monday. So that's where I'm headed right now. Usually I would get my packages held at the UPS distribution center just because it's closer to my house. But for some reason, the way that the sender sent the package, the company, how they sent the package, they didn't allow me to request to have the package held. So it has to be attempted at least once to be delivered. And if not, I would have to wait until tomorrow to pick it up from the facility. So I might as well just come over here and wait for the package. And it's supposed to be delivered between 2 and 6. Right now it's like 1:48, so hopefully they deliver it pretty close to 2 o'clock, maybe 3 o'clock, something like that. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute once I get to the house, and I might have some packages over there. So if I do, then we're gonna do a little quick unboxing there. Yeah, but I'll see y'all in a minute. Still rocking the Bread Force. Surprisingly, I didn't expect to wear these that much, but yeah, I've worn these just about every day since I did the on foot review of these. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. But yeah, I've worn these almost every day besides yesterday because I was at church. But yeah, dope shoe, man. I don't know, this might be top 10 sneaker of the year. But yeah, we'll see.
1 hour later.
So an hour has gone by and there's still no sign of the UPS man. But there was some packages here at the house, and I actually should have waited to open this up on camera, but I don't know, maybe I'll start doing more Supreme pickups. But I don't really buy like the clothing. I just get more so of like the hats and the beanies and like the accessories. Like I have, this is a Supreme hat. And then, so what I just picked up recently is this Supreme and Raiders beanie. And for anybody that follows football and knows that the Raiders are coming to Las Vegas, I want to say in 2020 or 2021. I just know it's soon, and the stadium's almost done being built. So can't wait until that gets completed. Now I just need a Raiders jersey. I'll probably get like a Terrell Pryor jersey. I still got to rep the Buckeyes in some way. Let's see what else. I'm gonna show you this next. So I think I'm gonna start like doing more vlogs of me like going out and like flipping stuff. Just stuff that I do outside of like picking up and reviewing shoes. But I grabbed these off of OfferUp for $80. Yes, $80. I got these off of OfferUp for $80. And they're kind of beat. They didn't come with the box, so they have some touching. What in the world? They have some touching up to do, like right here on the side and also on this side. And I don't know, maybe to do skating in the shoes. And then I don't know what is this. Okay, this is a cut in the shoe. I didn't see that, but for the most part, I'm pretty sure I can clean these up and probably do like a touch up on them. I'm pretty sure I can turn a profit on these. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing more like videos of me like going out and finding deals and flipping shoes and stuff like that. And then also got another pair of the Jordan Bread, or excuse me, actually it's the Cement Force. I guess like originally, like the original pair of the Jordan 4s was called the Cements. So excuse me, because I was just kind of like, these are Bread 4s. I said that in the last video. But yeah, size 10. Already have somebody coming to pick these up. These are too big for me. But yeah, got another pair of these. Dope shoe. Hopefully you pick these up. Because these, for the most part, sold out. I think only grade school is available. But yeah, this is like I was saying earlier, this gotta be top 10 sneaker of the year. And now let's go ahead and move on to a StockX pickup. All right, let's see what we got here. These shoes, I think they've been here for probably like 3 weeks now. I want to say I got these around the time that I went to Ohio. And speaking of Ohio, man, I had a vlog that I did out there for when the Crimson Tint ones came out, of me like in the mall, like trying to like hide from security and be first in line. And but the video footage got erased, so half of it got erased, so the other part wouldn't really make sense. So I just scrapped the whole video. But yeah, I ended up getting my bid accepted on StockX. Let's take a look and see what it is. Here's the box. And we have a red Nike box. Let's see, size 9.5, Nike Air Max 90 DNM QS Quick Strike. Retails $120. Let's see, the colorway is midnight navy, black, white, and infrared. Size 9.5. And I've actually been wanting these shoes for a while now. Let's see here. Let me go ahead and block off my address and order number. So as you can see, I pretty much got these for retail. I want to say I got these for retail. Retail was $120. So maybe like $10, $15 over retail. But pretty much just paid for shipping. Actually, the purchase price is $140 plus $13 shipping. So like $20 over retail. But I've been wanting these shoes for a while now. This is a shoe that I didn't like until I seen somebody wear them. You know, I'm pretty sure you've been there before. Like, you didn't like a shoe until you was out in public and you saw somebody like, yo, them is actually cool. So I've had a bid out on these shoes for, I want to say, about a year. And they finally got accepted. And here they are. These are clean. These are the denim Air Max 90s. Let me get the other shoe out. So here we have it. They come with an extra pair of laces. And we have on the toe box, I want to say this is kind of like a nubuck material right here on the toe box. And of course, as you can see, we have the denim wrapped all around the shoe. And we have hints of the infrared color. Got the black Nike Air on the back. Inside the shoe is a infrared insole. And the swoosh is actually kind of like a snakeskin material pattern on here. Yeah, these are dope. These are very, very dope. Like I said, I've seen them on foot, but I haven't really like seen them up close and personal in hand like this before. If you really like Air Maxes, you don't need a month to rep Air Maxes. So these will definitely be thrown into the rotation. I'm excited to wear these. I'm glad to have these in the collection. I can finally scratch these off of the list. There are a few other Air Max 90s that I want to get, but I'm glad I was able to get these for a decent price. And man, yo, it's only $315. So I'm gonna give this a couple more minutes, and if not, then I'll just have a separate video for the other pair of shoes that I'm supposed to be receiving today. But trust me, it's worth it. I think it's worth it. At least I think the hype will be worth the wait. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute. 4 o'clock and I'm still waiting. So how about we do this, just in case. UPS, I'm expecting you, but I might be asleep, So knock like the freeze, get out, get on the floor, put your hands up, let me see. Like the police. Hey, so check this out. This room used to be my room when I lived here. But as soon as I moved out, she wanted to turn this into her closet. This is my mom's closet. The sad part is not even half her shoes, so she can't say nothing to me. I get all this from her. This is her fault that I'm addicted to buying shoes.
One eternity later.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good, how are you?